Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Dipta Aditya, and this is my mini proposal research with the topic the quality of cohesion and coherence in text written by students at Mantegal. For the first is background of study. So for some reasons, writing is very important. First of all, writing is a wonderful idea in which every student can explore their own ideas. According to the Indonesian language curriculum, students should create a text at the end of the learning process. It is based on the text that the student is learning. Every text has its social function and lexical and grammatical characteristic. In written activities, students are asked to produce this text. Therefore, they need to have ideas to create text. These ideas are also based on the general structure of the text, and this is because good text should be organized. Thinking and writing are the next important reason for writing. So writing requires a lot of effort. This is more than just putting words together, because aligned words should be able to express that what the author wants to convey. PH 2002. The author will choose the correct wording to express his meaning. In addition, ideas should be arranged in a specific structure to achieve their goals. Different goals or purposes of the text will require different structures and lexical and grammatical features. Brown 2001. Therefore, when we want to write in English, we should follow the general structure of the English text type so that the reader can easily understand it. And the next is reason for choosing the topic. I'm, as the author, choose this topic because I know how important cohesion and coherence are in writing a text. When a text does not have elements of cohesion and coherence, then the text can be disorganized or even difficult to understand. The choice of this topic is also intended to inform the reader about the importance of cohesion and coherence in writing text. And the next is research problems. These are following questions addressed. So the first is what is cohesion and coherence. The second is how the students' quality of cohesion and coherence when practicing it in text writing. And the third is what the difficulties do the students experience when they practice cohesion and coherence in text writing. And the next is objectives of the study. For the objective of the study, the first is to explain what cohesion and coherence are. The second is the study aims to determine the quality of cohesion and coherence in the text written by students. And the last is to analyze what students' problem when studying the cohesion and coherence material. And the next is significance of the study. For the significance of the study, the first is an explanation of the quality of cohesion and coherence of various students in writing structured text to understand where the students' lack of understanding lies in the material, in this material. And this is for the theoretical. And the second is it is also useful for the English teacher to know more about where he or she is lacking in teaching the material and how to better teach it, also that students are smarter in its application. And this is for pedagogical. And the last, it is also useful for the general public to understand the importance of cohesion and coherence in writing text, especially for those who are interested in writing. And this is for practical. And the last part in my mini proposal research is review of literature. The first, review of previous studies. The first study is a study that discusses the quality of student writing coherence and cohesion, and it was written by Alif Nur Farida and Muhammad Ikhwan Rosidi in 2019 as English lecturers at UNES, Universitas Negeri Semarang. These studies discuss how to write text so that it has good quality. Good writing quality must meet the requirements of coherence and cohesion. Coherence shows how sentence how sentences in a text are arranged, which usually follow a certain structure, and shows cohesion how they are connected to each other. The second study is a study that discusses cohesion and coherence of students' context in Indonesia, that is written by Alif Suryo Priyatmojo in 2021 as a lecturer at UNES. And the third is study that discuss student ability in developing generic structure, cohesion and coherence in writing hortatory exposition text, written by Yenri Shafnida and Hafid Ardi in 2019. And the next part is review of theoretical studies. In this part, I use Halliday and Hassan theory. In their publication Cohesion in English 1976, Halliday and Hassan firmly emphasized the importance of cohesion in text formation. They describe in detail what the text is and how cohesion helps to distinguish it from random sets of sentences. It is considered that main unit of text. Without it, there would be no text. The significance of this model that Halliday said is that there are some neglected resources in the language system. These resources are related to the construction of the text, the scope of meaning related to what is said or written, and its semantic environment, saying 1976. He pointed out that the main component of this resource is cohesion and coherence. So that's all from me. That's all my mini proposal research. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.